Dear friends, this is our new lesson, revision, Wiederholung, Wiederholung. Revision of Book 1, Wiederholung von Buch 1. We are going to review all the German nouns from A to Z. Wir wiederholen alle deutschen Nomen von A bis Z. So before the revision and just learn about the German articles, it is very important to know about these articles. These are three articles: der, die, and das. What are these? Learn carefully. In German, every noun has a gender. That means each word uses one of three small words before it, like der, die, or das. So der we use for masculine words like he. All the masculine nouns, when we say in German, we must put der before that noun. And die for feminine plus plural words like she and books. And das for neutral words like bicycle, etc. So now let's understand these three words, der, die, and das, the German articles, with examples. Der Hund, the dog. So we know that dog is masculine. So we can't say only Hund. We must say der Hund. Die Katze, the cat. So we know cat is feminine, so we must put die before saying Katze in German. Das Auto, the car. So it is definitely a neutral word, so it is it. So you must learn the articles with each noun. When you learn new words, always says der Hund, die Katze, das Haus, not just Hund, Katze, Haus. If you say just Hund, Katze, Haus, this is not like in English, okay? In German, you have to put these words like der Hund, die Katze, das Haus. So now let's review all the nouns we have learned in this book, in book 1, in book 1. German nouns with article, like in English, with English meaning, okay? German nouns, German Nomen, English nouns. Der Affe, apple. In English, we say simply apple, but in German, you can't say apple. You have to say der Affe. Die Axt, Axe. Das Auto, car. Der Affe, monkey. Der Arzt, doctor. Der Baum, tree. Der Ball, ball. Die Brücke, bridge. Das Buch, book. Der Berg, mountain. Der Clown, clown. Der Computer, computer. Die Couch, couch, or coach. Das Christbaum, das Christbaum, Christmas tree. Der Container, Container. Das Deutschland, Germany. Der Drache, Dragon. Der Delfin, Dolphin. Das Dach, Roof. Die Dame, Lady. Der Elephant, Elephant. Die Eule, Owl. Die Eltern, parents. Okay, this is plural word, D. We have to use D with plural and D with feminine. Eule is feminine noun in German, so we put D in front of Eule. And Eltern is plural noun, so we put D in front of Eltern. Der Esse, donkey. Die Ente, duck. Der Frosch, frog. Der Fisch, fish. Der Falke, falcon. Das Flugzeug, airplane. Die Frau, woman. Das Glas, glass. Die Giraffe, giraffe. Die Geige, violin. Das Garn, thread. Der Garten, garden. Die Henne, hen. Der Hammer, hammer. Der Hund, dog. Das Haus, house. Die Hauptstadt, capital city. Die Insel, island. You can also say Island. Island with the same spelling in German, but you have to pronounce Island in German, but in English we say island. Das Igloo, igloo. Die Identität, identity card. Das Institut, institute. Die Industrie, industry. And one thing you have to keep in mind that all nouns in German take start from capital word, okay, capital alphabet, like you can see. But in English, this is not necessary. All the common nouns we write in English with the small words, with small alphabet, but in German the case is different. You have to start from the capital letter in German. Each noun, every noun in German. Das Jahr, year. Der Junge, boy. Der Jäger, hunter. Die Jacke, jacket. Der Juli, July. This is a proper noun, so we have to write with capital letter in English too. Der König, king. Das Känguru, kangaroo. Die Königin, queen. Das Kind, child. Der Kaffee, coffee. Der Löwe, lion. Der Liefwagen, van. Der Lehrer, teacher. Die Lehrerin, female teacher. Das Land, country. Das Mädchen, girl. Der Marienkäfer, ladybug. Die Mango, mango. Die Mutter, mother. Der Mann, man or husband. Das Nest, nest. Die Nacht, night. And I don't know what word is used for net in German. Okay, you can check in the previous lessons. Die Nadel, needle. Der Name, name. Das Obst, fruit. Die Orange, orange. Der Ozean, ocean. Der Osten, east. Der Opa und die Oma, grandpa and grandma. You can see der Opa. Opa is masculine noun. Die Oma, so Oma is feminine noun. So we use die with Oma and der with Opa. Der Opa und die Oma, grandpa and grandma. Das Pferd, horse. Der Panda, panda. Der V, peacock. Der Papagei, parrot. Die Puppe, doll. Das Quarter, quarter. Das Quadrat, square. Der Quark, curd or cheese. Die Quale, jellyfish. Der Regenschirm, umbrella. Die Rose, rose. Der Regenbogen, rainbow. Die Rakete, rocket. Das Rathaus, town hall. Der Schlüssel, key. Der Straß, or you can say Ostrich, bucket. Der Streit, argument. Die Schule, school. Die Schlange, snack. Die Trauben, grapes. Die Tomate, tomato. Der Tiger, tiger. Der Tisch, table. Die Tasse, cup. Die Uniform, uniform. Die Uhr, watch. Das U-Boot, not boot, boat. Das U-Boot, submarine. Das Ufer, shore, bank of a river, okay? Die Universität, university. Die Wasser, waste. Der Vulkan, volcano. Der Vater, father. Der Vogel, bird. Das Velo, bicycle. Der Wasserkocher, kettle. Die Warteschlange, queue. Die Wachtel, quail, a kind of a bird. Der Wal, whale, whalefish. Die Wölfin, she-wolf. And note a word from X, okay? Nouns from the letter X. Few native German words start with X. There aren't many words in German. And the same case with the letter Upsilon or Y. Words in German are often from other languages. And the last one, die Zitrone, lemon, die Zwiebel, onion, die Ziege, goat, der Swirn, thread, Zebra, das Zebra, zebra. So these were the nouns we have learned in book 1. This was the last lesson of book 1. So in next lesson we will start. In next video we will start the next book number 2. Be with us here on YouTube and keep watching all our videos. You will learn all the German methods and language step by step. And please, this is a request, special request, that write down all the slides you watch in these videos in your notebook, so that you could practice with yourself. That will be much better for you people. So das Ende, the end, bis bald, see you soon.